Hi, let's talk about how to organize your campaigns into folders using our campaign folders feature. First, you'll want to log into your account at app.skipio.com and click on the campaigns tab in the left navigation bar. Here you'll see the option to create folders under both drip and reminder campaigns. So let's go ahead and create one and see how it works. Click on create folder and we'll go ahead and give it a name. Then here we'll choose which campaigns we want to be a part of that folder. So I'm just going to choose a couple that apply to my customers and click create. Once I do, I'm going to see that this folder appears here in the list at the top. And if I click on it, I can see which campaigns are a part of the folder, and I can access those campaigns for use or editing. If at any time I need to manage this folder in some way or remove it, I can go ahead and click the plus sign here and choose Manage Folders. Here I'll see any folders I've created, and I can choose the one that I'd like to manage. On this screen, I can check or uncheck any campaigns I'd like to add or remove from the folder, and I can also delete the folder here. If I do, it's going to confirm that I wanted to do that for sure, and give me a little reminder here that deleting the folder won't delete the campaigns themselves, so no concerns there. If I go ahead and click delete, you'll see that that folder is removed from the list here. Now, as you choose your organization style for your campaigns, keep in mind that a single campaign can only be in a single folder. We hope that you enjoy this feature and have a wonderful day.